guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing the crumble tie-dye pattern. So these are the types of dyes that I use. I've got the RIT dye right here. So to make this RIT dye, I take 1 cup of water and 1 tablespoon of the dye and I mix them together. And then I put them in these bottles that I get off of Amazon. You can purchase the RIT dye at Target. I think Walmart has them too, but I do get them off of Amazon because I can find more colors on there. Now this dye is new and I really like it. I got this off of Amazon. I will have the link down below. So they've got like the main rainbow colors and they come in these huge bottles, which I really like. We're gonna do the crumble pattern, so let's get started. Like always, make sure your shirt is nice and wet and wring it out. You don't want it drenched. All right, you guys, how you do the crumble pattern. What you do is you literally just crumble your shirt. So I do sections. And then I just make my way down. So you have just a huge mess. This kind of looks like a funnel cake you would get at the state fair. So I'm gonna I usually use this huge storage container and then I've got like a wired rack that I normally use. Just put it down on there. So I'm not gonna use rubber bands on this pattern. Just kind of crumble it like that. All right, these are the colors I'm gonna use, yellow and red. Put on my gloves. Let's start with the red. And just put a lot of it. Doesn't really matter what design. I'm just gonna put the yellow on the outer edges. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and carefully scrunch this and flip it over. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing. All right, you guys, that was our crumble pattern. I'm gonna leave this to soak overnight. That's how I just normally do it. And then tomorrow we'll see the really cool design that this will give us. All right, you guys, so this has been soaking for 24 hours. This is what it looks like. We're gonna go ahead and see what the pattern looks like. I really, really like it. It has that crumble effect. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run this under cold water. All right, so run this under cold water until the water runs clear. You should see no dye. And go ahead and kind of like scrub it too. Make sure you wring it out. You could also run this in the washing machine with cold water. Don't use any detergent. And now we can just throw it in the dryer. Alright, you guys, this crumble pattern tie-dye really turned out. I love how the yellow is kind of like the shirt and then the red is kind of like that crumbly effect. I also want to try this pattern out with different colors, so stay tuned for more tie-dye videos. And if you guys want to check out more patterns, I'll have the links down below, the ones that I have done already. But thank you again for watching, and until next time, bye!